Okay, today we're here at Castle Park in Riverside. Actually, I keep forgetting to say that. And we're here for their Mardi Gras. So we got a tasting card, and we got the Jambalaya pasta at the Big Top Burgers and Barbecue. So this is a pretty large bowl. And this is works out to be about $5. So this is like penne pasta. And there's probably mozzarella cheese, some pieces of sausage. No, that's a huge piece of shrimp. That is huge. It's not no jump. This is a jumbo shrimp. Okay, this one's a little spicy too. Or kind of spicy. Not just a little. Oh yeah, that's hotter than the shrimp sauce was. What is this? Oh, that's another shrimp. The pasta's a little, just slightly mushy. But it's not totally mushy though, so just starting to get there. But the shrimp is really well cooked. Anything else like chicken? I see more shrimp. I see more sausage. I think that might be the only meats in here. Sausage and shrimp. But there's a whole bunch of these huge shrimp in there, so this is well worth it. Even the sausage pieces are pretty large. Let me try one. I'll try the little one. And the sausage is well cooked too. Yeah, this one definitely gets an A. It is pretty spicy though, so, you know, I don't know if you'd get this for a kid. But if you like shrimp, this is a good one. It's only $5 basically with the card. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.